Yung amoy nakasupred kaya sa mga nais na umakyat dito sa crater ay mabilisan lang po yung gagawin natin. Hindi po tayo pwedeng magtagal dito sa pinaka-crater dahil natulad ng sabi ko, ito po ang isa sa pinaka-aktibong bulkan sa Pilipinas. Itong bulkan po ito ay lukhang mapangalan. Kasama natin ang ating tour guide na si Kuya Marlon, kayong nag-alagay sa atin. Maraming salamat po sa LGU ng Bayan ng Bulusan, lalong-lalo na kay Mayor Mike Buisek at kay Sir Philip Pantelet.
Then, if we can't open it, let's try it again. There we go. We have our popping candy ready. So let's go.
Maraming pack.
Pop candy ba yan? Pop in the mouth ba yan?
Look guys, there's so much. We opened one, two, three, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
How many inside?
Many.
11, 12,
How many yan, Be? Can I have one?
13,
Bibilang niya lang.
How many pieces?
18, 19,
21.
let's count it all.
How many? So many, ah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
And the 21 is
Is
for
the
Tita Be.
answer. Let's find
Including the ones that you open. 21 pieces. And you return it to the ano.
back. Let's put it back. 20 pouches.
Why when you count it, why it's 21?
21.
Count it again. One by one.
Kaya tingin, meron dyan.
Now let's react to the taste.
It's pop on the mouth.
Too slow.
Huwag ka mag-alala, mabuti siyang tao.
Kaya
It's
nga.
popping in my mouth.
Saka pala si Mario, kasama ko sa Pilipinas. Kasama ko rin nakatala.
Ang gulo na naman ang antena natin.
Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Try again.
Yeah. It pops in my mouth a lot.
Yan mo
It's
sa
gonna
dila.
pop in my mouth.
What's the flavor, Jess?
It's blueberry. And it's very tasty. Striking popping candy.
Bigyan naman.
Can naman. This guys. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Parang